Once the preparation is completed, we need to apply the Dry Fix wood stabiliser. Dry Fix is not a wood hardener and it needs to be brushed onto the surface of the timber and allowed to penetrate. It is most important that the moisture content of the timber is 18% or below. The Dry Fix bottles are calibrated and you use one calibration of the coloured liquid to one calibration of the hardener and mix thoroughly with a wooden spatula. This shows Dry Fix 16 being dispensed, mixed and applied using the WINDOWCARE Mix and Fix cup and wooden spatula. This shows the application of the Dry Fix. Dry Fix should be brushed well into the surface, treating any end grain and brushing over the surface of the repair to protect. Dry Fix should be left for a minimum of 20 minutes to penetrate the timber fibres and can be left, in the case of Dry Fix 4 and 16, up to 8 hours before the repair is completed with the Dry Flex resin. Any excess Dry Fix on the surface should be removed. In the case of timber splicing, Dry Fix should be applied to all contact sides. It is essential that Dry Fix is used in all repairs. When splicing, ensure that the timber splice is slightly roughed up if it's a smooth surface to aid the penetration and adhesion of the Dry Fix and Dry Flex. Dry Flex 16 has a working time of up to 2 hours and Dry Flex 4 has a working time of up to 25 minutes. However, good practice is to mix and use well within these times. The curing times depend on ambient temperature and size of repair. As a guide, Dry Flex 16 will cure in 16 hours at 20 degrees centigrade and is suitable for large repairs. Dry Flex 4 will cure in 4 hours at 20 degrees centigrade and is also suitable for low temperature applications. Dispense the Dry Flex resin using the WINDOWCARE dosing pistol. The dosing pistol dispenses the exact quantity of resin needed for the repair. It is helpful to curl the hardener into the resin to help mixing. Once you've dispensed the correct amount, recap the tubes to avoid any spillage. Using the stiffer of the two medium-sized application knives, mix the resin thoroughly using long sweeps of the spatula. Avoid a mixing motion that can add air to the resin. This must be avoided. Gather up the resin to make sure all areas are well and truly mixed. It is essential that the Dry Flex is mixed thoroughly. Once mixed, leave thinly on the board, which will help pot life. This just shows the Dry Flex 4 dispensed and mixed. You'll notice there's a greater colour change with the Dry Flex 4 going from orange to a yellow colour. Once again, thorough mixing is essential.